Lesson 1. Self-Introduction. Hello, my name is Juni. Halo, namaku Juni. I live in Yogyakarta. Aku tinggal di Yogyakarta. I like reading. Aku suka membaca. And I want to be a teacher. Dan aku ingin menjadi seorang guru. Lesson 2. Greetings. Good morning. Selamat pagi. Good afternoon. Selamat siang. Good night. Selamat malam. Goodbye. Selamat tinggal. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. And eyes and ears and nose and mouth. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Lesson 4. Color and shape. A green circle. A yellow square. An orange triangle. A red rectangle. A gray oval. A pink heart. A blue star. Hello, good afternoon. My name is Juni and I live in Yogyakarta. Today I want to tell you about my home. I have a small, cozy home. The color of the wall is green. The color of the door is yellow and rectangle shaped. I also have a square window in my bedroom. At night, I can see stars from my window. The color of the stars are yellow.